Bagdad, exciting land of enchantment and mystery.
Okay, buddy, this is where you get off.
Rubber spikes. Why, you big faker?
Get out of here.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
What are you, a wise guy? Scram! Step right up, young man. See the famous Indian rope trick. Alley-oop, and away we go.
Now, how did he do that?
Yow! Beat it, you punk kid.
Magic lamps, right here. Get your magic lamps, only 29 cents.
You buy lamp, boy?
You guys are all fakes.
Wait, I give free demonstration. Now close your eyes, rub the lamp, and make a wish.
Oh, I wish for...
You wish for a kitty cat. Ah, you see, here is kitty cat.
I don't remember wishing for a cat.
Sure, I hear you say kitty cat.
Well, okay, I'll buy the lamp.
There you are, folks. Another satisfied customer.
I'll try it again. I wish,
Hello there. I'm the genie with the dark brown eyes. It works. The magic lamp. It works. I saw it. I got to get it back. I'm your humble servant. Make a wish. Go ahead, make a wish.
I wish for a dish of ice cream. Boy. Yeah, I don't like vanilla. Can't you make strawberry or chocolate?
I'm sorry, I can't make those.
Oh, well.
Uh-oh. Give me that lamp. Now I got magic lamp. I wish for custard pie.
Pie coming up.
Let me have it.
Come on, kitty.
Shazam!
Dum-da-dum-dum-dee-dee-dum. How's it going, genie boy?
It's all right.
What was that?
Puzzles, Philistine.
I guess I'll wish for a...
I got it again. I wish I had a boat. I said boat, not goat.
Sorry about that. Now take care of this lamp, will you?
Yeah. Dum-da-dum-dum-diddle-dee-dum-dum-doo.
Okay, wise bird, hand it over.
Well, I guess he wins, pal. I better go with him.
Yeah.
Now look here, master. You gotta take better care of this lamp.
Yeah, don't worry.
And I'm only gonna give you one more wish.
Dum-da-dum-dum-dee-dee-doo-doo.
This is one of those days. Hey, Chucklehead, where's your lamp?
Huh?
Look.
Follow that carpet.
The way.
Hey!
got one more wish coming.
May I make a suggestion? Why don't you wish for a pie?
I wish I had a pie.
Here it is.